All right, so we've got the Screen Mom screen cleaner kit. And so this has already been used. I've never used it, but this has been used in our house. You're gonna watch me use it for the first time. As you can see, this is disgusting and it needs to be cleaned. So you're gonna watch me clean it and we're gonna see if this works. So I'm gonna spray it on the screen and I'm just gonna wipe it down. Oh, dude. Oh my God. That's so bad. Needed that so bad. That's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, that did so much already. That did so much. I barely even wiped it. I mean, I barely even like tried. I didn't even try. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Oh my God.